Hello?
Hey, Evan.
Yeah.
Hey, this is Andy Mitchell with SOC. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing well. How are you?
Good, good. Hey, I saw what you were doing on Facebook and how you wanted to cover some nonprofits. And, man, the Lord just kind of spoke to me to call you and see if you'd like to come out to one of our hunts. We've got a hunt coming up here in San Saba.
Okay.
And I'd love for you to come and film the boys and just see what the organization's all about and just wanted to invite you on that hunt.
Yeah, that sounds great. I would love to join you guys. That sounds fun.
Absolutely. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'll email you some details and get everything lined out.
Okay. Yeah, I'll get packed and I'll head that way. I will see you guys soon.
I look forward to meeting you.
Yep, sounds good. Looking forward to it.
Thank you so much,
Thanks.
man.
All
Appreciate
right,
it.
bye.
Bye.